Stony Point is one of the high schools in the district that offers the CNA program, which stands for Certified Nursing Assistant. The students take it in their senior year. They go freshman, they go Principles of Health Science. Then sophomore, they go to midterm. Then as juniors, they go to Theory and Practice. And as a senior, they can go to CNA or to Pharm Tech. Throughout the whole year, the students do clinical rotations. We go to the nursing home and we go to the local hospital, Seton Williamson, just up the road. We also do in-class activities. We do skills in class. We prep for our test. At the end of the year, they test clinically and then they test on paper to pass their certification. It's a $95 test and the district pays for their first try. The benefit to the students of taking the CNA program in high school here through Round Rock ISD is the school district covers the cost of the total program. Whereas if they had to do it on their own, they could pay up to approximately $2,000 on their own to take it at ACC, or $1,500 to $2,000 to take it at a local privately owned school.
It's beneficial to me because I want to be a nurse practitioner, so doing the CNA program here has really helped out and showed me what it's like to interact with patients, going to the nursing home and practicing our skills here. It really just prepares us and stuff. It's been really great, and I think that it's a really good program to be a part of just because not everyone has that going into college, especially at the beginning.
By the time they're done here, they have a certification that was paid for by the district and they're job ready when they graduate. So these kids really have an opportunity that a lot of other kids don't even come close to getting.